Hello, this is Brian from GeoPath, and today we'll be talking about how to create a new plan in the Workspace module. Within the Workspace module of the GeoPath Insight Suite, there are two different kinds of plans that you can create. We'll be covering the specifics of these different types of plans in more depth in future videos, but generally speaking, the way that you create each of these types of plans is the same. While in the Workspace module, there are two different places you can do your work, the Sandbox or the Projects view. The Projects view you can think of as different folders. Here you can see I have several different projects, each with different scenarios within them. You can also create your plans in the Sandbox, which is effectively like one large folder. The Sandbox can be very useful if you're trying to run a quick report and you don't necessarily need to organize it into a different project. Here you can see I have many different scenarios and plans within my Sandbox folder, but I can actually rename these or move these to projects at any time. As a note, you can create the exact same type of plans in both the Sandbox and Projects view. So if you're unsure of where you want to organize your plan or if you want to put it into a project at all, I'd suggest starting in this Sandbox view, and you can always move the plan later. To create a new plan, you can hit Add Scenario. Here on this screen you'll see you have options to set up a market plan or an inventory plan. Again, we'll cover these in much more depth in future videos.